Facebook Marketplace is a platform within Facebook that allows users to buy and sell items to others in their local communities. It was introduced in 2016 and has since become a popular place for peer-to-peer transactions, similar in some ways to platforms like Craigslist or Gumtree, but integrated directly into the Facebook environment. Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to search and buy using Facebook Marketplace. Open the Facebook app. After opening the Facebook app, click on the search button. Some versions of the Facebook app also have a special button for this, as you can see in the video. I will now return to my app. In search bar type Marketplace. Click on Marketplace, buy and sell nearby. Depending on your location, some ads will automatically be displayed. Click on the location icon to change the region. A new screen has opened with a circle whose radius we can change. Move the center of the circle to the desired region. For example, I will set it to the city of Graz. You can change the size of the radius by increasing or decreasing the value on this slider. Click on Apply. Ads are displayed, and they're all from the set region. Click on Categories to choose what interests you. There are a large number of categories. Here you can find literally everything. From household appliances, garden tools to toys and real cars. I will choose Vehicles. By clicking on Filters, we can apply filters as well. For cars, there's an option to set a minimum and maximum price. You can also sort the results. Click on Sort. Choose one of the available sorting methods. Click on this button. As you can see, all filters have been applied, and sorting has been implemented. For details, click on the ad. Once you find something you're interested in, you can message the seller directly through Facebook Messenger to ask questions or arrange the purchase. While Facebook Marketplace doesn't have the same kind of buyer protection as platforms like eBay, Facebook does offer safety guidelines and recommends meeting in public places for exchanges. Because it's tied to Facebook, potential buyers can see public aspects of a seller's profile before deciding to make a purchase, which might offer a degree of trust or skepticism compared to anonymous platforms. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and become part of the digital family.